Nothing is quite as festive as eggnog during the holiday season. These no-bake mini cheesecakes are eggnog flavored, they have gingerbread in them, and they are so easy to make. If you are interested in this recipe, I cannot wait to share it with you. I promise you, you will love it. All right, my friends, let's start off by measuring out our ingredients. First off is the whipping cream. Next is the crust, so it will be graham crackers, as well as brown sugar. And of course, the butter, which you will have to melt. Now let's combine those ingredients. Now, of course, for the sake of the holiday season, I will be using these adorable cupcake holders. You're just gonna pop them into their slots, and by the spoonful, you're going to add your graham cracker crust, and then you are going to begin to push them down. Now, this is not necessary, but I do put the crust in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes. This just holds it together a lot better. Of course, you need the eggnog as well as vanilla extract. Now, my apologies, but the camera stopped rolling. I did measure out my cream cheese and my sugar, which is what's mixing right now. I'm adding the eggnog mixture and just combining this. Once that's done, just push this to the side, and we will need to reuse that bowl. We're gonna begin to whisk the whipping cream that we measured earlier until stiff peaks form. Now we're gonna add that into the cream cheese mixture, and we are gonna fold it together. Now I'm going to add these adorable gingerbread cookies and fold them into this mixture just by crushing it with my hands. Now using a third of a cup measuring spoon, I'm going to add them into their slots. Now you're going to keep these in the fridge overnight. And that is it. To decorate them, I used whipping cream, and I am adding these gingerbread cookies onto the top, as well as these Wilton holiday sprinkles that are gingerbread flavored as well. Now that's it, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this holiday series.